In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an index on a Confluence page. If you've ever opened a long Confluence page and wished for a quick way to jump to the right section, an index is exactly what you need. It can take the form of a table of contents that links to headings on the page or a children display that lists subpages in your space. Let's walk through it together. First, open the Confluence page where you want the index to appear. Make sure you have permission to edit the page. Once you're there, click Edit to open the page in the editor. You'll be working in the live editor, so you can see where the index will sit relative to your content. Before inserting the index, give your page a clear structure by adding headings to your sections. Headings are what power the table of contents. Use heading 1 for major sections, then heading 2 and heading 3 for subsections. Keep them short, descriptive, and consistent. If a section doesn't appear in the table of contents later, it usually means it wasn't formatted as a heading. Now place your cursor where you want the index to appear. Type a / and start typing table of contents or children display. Confluence will show you the available macros as you type. Choose the one that matches your goal. Select the macro that fits your index style. Use table of contents if you want a clickable outline of the headings on this page. It's perfect for long documents, guides, and policies. Use children display if you want to list child pages beneath this page, like a mini sitemap for a documentation section or project hub. Once the macro is inserted, adjust the settings if needed. For the table of contents, you can set the minimum and maximum heading levels to include, choose a flat list or an indented outline, and optionally exclude certain headings. For the children display, you can set how many levels of child pages to show, choose how they're sorted, and even display page excerpts if your team uses them. These options help you keep the index focused and readable. When everything looks right, click Publish. Your index will render on the live page, and viewers can instantly navigate by clicking links in the table of contents or opening child pages from the children display. If something looks off, double-check your heading levels or your page hierarchy. That's it. With a clear structure, the right macro, and a few thoughtful settings, you've created a clean, helpful index that makes your Confluence page far easier to navigate.